Hey folks, welcome to my next video. Happy holidays. If it comes out this time of the year, the end of the year here. But we're getting ready to leave Wilderness Landing and heading to another camp here in the Blackwater River State Forest, Hurricane Lake North. And I'll tell y'all more about that as we get over there. So bear with us, we'll get you on the other side. Alright folks, this is Wilderness Landing. We're leaving. Get a view of it again. The camp post over there. Right there. There's the showers over there. Well, hang on to your seats. A little bit of back road driving here. And the reason we're leaving here is because my solar's not working and I need to go plug in. All my food don't get messed up. So bear with us. Here we go. Well, it's official, my first paid camp here. $10 a night here, Reserve America at Hurricane Lake North. Here in the Blackwater River State Forest of Florida. In the Panhandle. That is the beginning of the Florida Trail right there, here in the Panhandle of Florida. It goes all the way down to Key West. Quite a distance, but there's a lake out there. I'll try to get y'all sunrise in the morning. And there's Hope over there, Cotton's bus. And over here is the bathrooms and showers, hot showers. There's Gracie here on the right. Nebo, he's out doing his walking thing this morning. So, hold on, we'll catch you on the other side.